Students, good evening. Today we are discussing about business and characteristics of business. First, what is the meaning of business? Today we are learning. Business means the economic activity of continuous regular production, manufacturing, and distribution of goods and services for satisfying human wants of earning profit is known as business. Characteristics of business. First one, economic activity. Economic activity means business is an economic activity. It is performed with the main motive of earning profit or loss. Already economic activity can be discussed in previous class. So this is over. And second one, deals with goods and services. Every business enterprises produce or buy goods and services with the intention of selling them to others is known as deals with goods and services. Goods are two types. One is consumer goods and another one is capital goods. Consumer goods means direct use by the consumer. Examples, clothes, shoe, tea, bread, and so on. And then second one is capital goods. Capital goods means used for production of other goods. Examples, tools, raw material, machinery, and so on. And third characteristics of business is creation of utilities. Utilities means business makes goods more useful to satisfy human wants. It adds time, place, form, and profession to various types of goods. And the fourth type of characteristics of business is continuity in dealings. Continuity in dealings means dealing in goods and services become business only if undertaking on a regular basis. Means for example, if a person sell his old scooter and purchase a new car, it is not treated as a business. And the same person, he open a shop and sell so many scooters or cars regularly, it means business. It is treated as a business. And then fifth characteristics of business is sale, transfer, or exchange. Means all business activities involve transfer or exchange of goods and services for some considerations. Some considerations means price. It is usually expressed in terms of money. For example, a woman cooks for food for his family members. It is not treated as a business. That same woman cook food and distribute the food to other members and take money from other persons. It is treated as business. And the sixth characteristics of business is profit motive. For every business, the main motive of business is to earn profit. Without profit, nobody can do the business. What the businessman use profit means, he can develop their business and he can improve their business and he can start their business so many places and he can develop more and more. For that, every businessman, the main motive is to earn profit. The seventh characteristics of business is risk and uncertainty. Risk means fear of loss. For every business, there is a loss. Every business has a fear of loss. Why? Because the consumers will change their tastes and fashions and demands and competition. They may causes losses. So every business may think they about losses. And the eighth characteristics of business is also a social institution. Business is also a social institution because it helps to improve the living standards of people through effective utilization of scarce resources of society. And the ninth characteristics of business is arts as well as science. Business can be performed as an art as well as science. It means art because it requires personal skills and experiences. Every businessman have their own skills and experiences for achieving their profits, and it also treated as a science because it is based on certain principles and laws. Thank you one and all.